Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Carolina and Taylor, and we are going to be shooting some photos. It's really cold, so we're going to do this quickly. I'm going to take a test shot first.
So for how many years have you been modeling, Taylor?
For about like 3, I guess,
4 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
So today we're wearing all Nike hat with this jacket, and yeah, these like black Nike leggings are super nice, and then my Air Prestos. My socks are Reebok, but don't tell them.
So I think we have our settings right. This is what it's looking like. So my ISO is 100, my f-stop is 1.4, and my my shutter is 5000. Yeah. And I'm shooting with the Canon EOS 70D and a 50mm 1.4 lens. If you have your subject close to the background, then there's going to be less depth of field. So if you bring them farther away and create distance, then it's going to add more depth of field.
They say, oh, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Ain't that a shame? I've been good.
So I switched my lens to the 17 to 85mm, which is like a standard lens, and we're gonna get some more wide shots and possibly some action shots.
Feeling like I'm running away. Never had the chance to say I can say that loving you is easy. I don't need to prove a single thing. Somewhere along the way, I guess you got under my skin. I put all my cards out on the table. You ain't ever gonna show your hand. I would rather hold you close than try to understand.
So now we're gonna get a jumping pic and another jumping pic. She's gonna be jumping with both of her knees up, and I'm gonna do an underhead shot.
Morning suns, morning high.
Stop, please.
She's also a singer. So.
Yeah! Don't put that in there.